Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Mianun Malasari. I'm from Institute Pangeran Dharma Kusuma. In this session, we would like to share our research about the effect of project-based learning model in science subject on creative thinking ability of elementary students.
Okay, the first one, introduction. Education in the 21st century faces many challenges and obstacles, especially in the learning process, which requires innovation in the learning model applied. There are still many teachers who dominate learning activities and do not provide opportunities for students to be actively involved in the learning process. This can hamper students' interest and creative thinking skill in science learning. The project-based learning model can be the right solution to improve students' creative thinking skill in elementary school science subject. The, import, the importance of creative thinking skill, students who have creative thinking skill will have a higher mindset and understanding than students who do not have creative thinking skill. So that students who have creative thinking skill will be able to find ideas and solve problems. Therefore, creative thinking skills are essential in the learning process. Okay, literature review. Project-based learning model. According to Dewey, project-based learning is a learning model that use project or activities in the learning process. Through the form of project-based learning, students can explore, access, interpret, synthesis, and obtain information. With project-based learning, students can think more comprehensively from various sides. The stage of implementing the project-based learning model, according to Wajdi, include question at the beginning of learning activities, project planning, school, schooling the project activity stage, project supervision, assessment, and project evaluation.
Well, the next one is creative thinking ability. Creative thinking skills are an essential aspect of creating innovations and finding ideas to solve problems. Creative thinking is needed to be learners not only to deepen the learning experience, but also to deal with problems in the learning process. Position of creative thinking skill will significantly help students in the classroom learning. Therefore, creative thinking skills are essential in the learning process. Therefore, it is crucial to develop students' creative thinking skills in the learning process. Student creative thinking skills in the learning can affect learning outcomes, including in science subject. In other words, it can be said that creative thinking is beneficial for students in learning and understanding the material. According to Munandar, 2016, creative thinking indicators include four indicators that are fluent thinking or fluency, flexible thinking or flexibility, original, and elaboration. Now, Mr. Egi.
Literature review. Science
Okay.
subject. One of the subject literary student creativity in positive thinking skill. In natural science, in science subject, there is a understanding in this concept that useful and can be applied in everyday life related to how to work, how to think, and how to solve problems. Science learning is a elementary school of science providing the rest average to student whereas to what learn we will be adapted involved in real experience. Besides good skills learning was linked in the college the student learn with everyday life and provide opportunities for students to ask questions, generate ideas, and build curiosity about everything in their environment.
And the next discussion. Using the project learning model can improve student creative thinking skills. Creative thinking ability is one of the student abilities that can be grown through the learning process because students need to have the ability to think flexibly, which is one aspect of creative thinking ability and can find discoveries. Based on the result of previous studies, project-based learning has a significant effect on students' creative thinking skills. This is because the learning syntax in the project-based learning model helps students.
Okay. Uh, Here is a table of the stages of project-based learning model, activities, and indicators of creative thinking ability that can be developed at each stages of project-based learning. Number one is initial question. This stage, students are able to digest and understand problem, convey information based on their abilities and language, and think directly about what products or project can be created based on the question asked. And indicators of creative thinking ability developed at this stage is fluency and flexibility. Number two, project planning. This stage, students select materials that are in line with the concept of the project to be made, and students will try out ideas by developing various information. And indicators of creative thinking ability developed at this stage is elaboration. Number three, scheduling. This stage, students can understand that doing a project, excellent and systematic scheduling is needed so that planning can be carried out well. And indicators of creative thinking developed at this stage is flexibility and originality. Number four is project supervision. This stage, students will create a project that has been planned previously so that they can develop their creativity in producing a project. And number five, assessment. This stage, students are trained to be fluent in conveying project result, providing argument to project result, strengthening answer or ideas of friends, and able to propose new problems that have not been studied in learning activities. And indicators of creative thinking ability developed at this stage is fluency, flexibility, originality, and elaboration. And number 6, project evaluation. At this stage, a reflection will be carried out regarding the learning process that has been. So, indicators of creative thinking ability developed at these stages is elaboration. And finally, of the conclusion, improving creative thinking skills by using the project listening model can help students to develop their creative thinking skills. The project listening learning model is designed to improve students' creative thinking skills by integrating various disciplines and building solutions to real problems. The stages of the project-based model encourage students' active involvement in learning through the various stages of project-based learning, starting from the first stage of asking questions to the last stage of project evaluation. Students are trained to think creatively both in the aspects of fluency thinking, flexibility thinking, originality thinking, and elaboration. Project listening not only strengthens creative thinking skill, but also prepares students to face the challenges of the 21st century by connecting theory and practice and improving problem solving, communication, and collaboration skills.
Okay, everyone, waiting enough. See you on the next conference.